In this video, we'll look at some awesome voice changer effects or voice filters in Filmora 12. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. I've got this audio and that's me. So let's add it to the timeline, let it feed to the selection, and then let's play it.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Let's assume I don't think I want people to know it's me speaking and I want to use an effect for this. So all I need to do is go to Effects, and then from the audio section, Audio Effects, and then go to Voice Filters. So there are a couple of filters, 12 of them. We've got a female voice, driving sound, AI robot, traditional robot, old radio, male voice, child voice, phone, small room, big room, lobby, and an echo. Let's assume you want to create an AI robot voice from my voice. Let's add this, and you'll see a new addition here. So if I go to the start.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva? The simple answer is yes.
My voice is already robotic. Kinda sounds a little bit funny, but if that's the effect that you're looking to achieve, you can always add that right there. You can delete the effect if you don't want it. And then let's say we go for something like a phone. Let's go for that particular phone effect. Let's play.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Looks really good and has probably a use case scenario of where you're simulating a phone call with somebody. I think that is something that can really work in such scenarios. So it's up to you to be a little bit creative and see how it works.
The simple answer is yes, and this is why.
So what it does is that it can simulate, let's assume you're holding a phone and want to simulate that particular conversation. Let's actually delete this particular effect. And then let's say we want to change my voice to a female voice. Let's listen.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Doesn't really cut it, but well, I think probably for depending on somebody's voice, it may end up being like a female voice. Let's listen to old radio.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Yes, that one sounds like an old radio. Sounds really good.
The simple answer is yes, and this is why.
So that is good as well. An old radio kind of simulation using the voice filters in Filmora 12. And then we'll take a couple of two more. Let's say we go with the echo.
Hit play on your imagination.
So let's add it.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Sounds really good. Let's listen to the last effect of a small room. Let's listen to that.
Can you edit a PDF file in Canva?
Now, the only unfortunate thing with this is that if you'd like to add any new sound effect, the old one is going to be replaced. So for example, for the small room effect right here, if I actually play this,
the simple answer is yes.
You can now use it together with the phone effect. It would be awesome if you could use this together to project, and you'll get this dialog box. The new audio effect will replace the old audio effect. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay, so we now get the old the phone effect.
And this is why. If a PDF is editable.
But I really love the phone effect and the possibilities that come with it. But those are some of the best voice change effects or voice filters you can use in Filmora 12 at the time of recording this video. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.